Hey, it's Rachel Rofe, and in this video, I'm going to show you some different Etsy discount codes that you can create to give your sales a boost. So whether you are a low-hanging system member or you're just selling on Etsy and your sales are slow, or maybe you just want a boost in sales, I'm going to go over my top 3 favorite different coupons that you can use on Etsy to maximize your sales. Now, Etsy actually has a lot of different coupon codes, and in the video I'll show you where you can find out more. They're all pretty straightforward and easy to use. The 3 that we're going to go over today are just the ones that I find to be really easy for getting those low-hanging sales. So to learn about some of the different Etsy discounts and coupon codes that you have at your disposal, keep watching. I'm going to go over everything you need to know about how to set up each campaign and then how it can help your store. Now, before we begin, if you think that this is helpful or you like this kind of content, please hit like on this video as well as subscribe to it. It just really helps me see kind of what's useful for you, and then it shows me that it's a good use of time to continue making more videos. Okay, so let's begin. So there's going to be, like I said, a bunch of different coupons that you can create on Etsy. The ones that we're going to go over here are abandoned cart, recently favorited, and thank you for your purchase. In the next few slides, I'm going to show you how to set up these coupon campaigns as well as what they're for, how to use them, and why they help. Okay, so first, for the abandoned cart coupon. An abandoned cart means that someone has gone to your shopping cart, has gone to your store, they've put an item in their cart, but they ended up not purchasing for whatever reason. So in order to reach them and hopefully make them actually help them purchase the product instead of just leaving it, you can create a abandoned cart campaign. So the way that this works is actually on the same tab as the recently favorited one. So I'll go over what that one means too. You can see both of them here on this slide. Recently favorited are for people who have gone to your store, they've hit favorite on your item, but they haven't purchased it. So you want to try to get to them too because they've indicated that they like your product, they've hit the favorite button, so we want to see if we can convert them into a sale. So to be able to set up a campaign for either of them, abandoned cart or recently favorited, you're going to want to go to your Etsy Shop Manager, and then you're going to want to click Marketing, and then select Sales and Coupons. And then that's going to bring you to this screen right here. So to create your sale, you're going to want to click where it says Set Up Campaign. You can do it either next to the abandoned cart or recently favorited shoppers. So whatever one you do here, just do it again for the other one. So you can click there, and then when you go to the section that says who would you like to send this offer to, you're going to either choose the abandoned cart shoppers or recently favorited. Just rinse and repeat like I said. Now for the next part, it's going to be what type of coupon. You can either select a % off, let's say 20% off. You can do a fixed amount off, let's say $5 off your order, or you can do free standard shipping. And you can actually, if you do the free standard shipping, you can do it so it's domestic shipping only, because sometimes international can be a little bit pricier. So you'll do that. You're also going to need to specify whatever you want your coupon code to be called. So for example, let's say you're making an abandoned cart campaign, then maybe you make your code something like don't leave or miss you, right? If you're doing a recently favorited one, then you could make your code something like favorite or our treat or something like that. And then when you're done, you're just going to click that review and confirm button. So you'll see there's where you pick your item. Going to show you all of the things. Then you're going to click the launch campaign button right there. So you can see there that everything shows what you've selected. Now you can always then return later on to the sales and coupons section of your shop manager, manage your campaigns, and then also see the coupon performance for each of them. So it'll show you how long you've been running the campaign, how many times it's been sent, how much revenue has been brought in, etc. The third type of coupon campaign that I recommend creating is an automatic thank you coupon. So there's 2 ways to do this, but an easy new way that Etsy has offered is you simply click the Setup Campaign next to the post-purchase thank you, which you can see right here on this slide. What this does is it check marks the box for this type of coupon for you. So since this coupon sends a thank you discount right after a customer purchases, it might incentivize them to come back for more items. Let's say they were shopping around and they saw a couple different items from your store that they loved, and they decided, you know what, I'll just get one now. if you give them a coupon, let's say you give them 20% off or something to come and repurchase right away while they're on that shopper's high, could be a nice, easy, low-hanging way to get more sales. So you've got that as well. And you can learn about the other setup method in the blog post that I'm going to link in the description, so you can get the full details there as well. Now, as I said before, Etsy offers a lot of different coupons. So the abandoned cart, recently favorited, and the thank you, they're just some of the different ones that you can sell. You can also do things like run a store-wide sale or create special specific coupons to share one-on-one with your customers. So if you want to learn about the other coupon ideas, that link below that I'm going to put in the description, that's also going to include the other different types of coupons that you can create. So I hope that you find these discount codes helpful and you see how easy they can be to implement some pretty easy sales inside your Etsy store. I'd love to hear your thoughts. As always, just leave a comment below. I would love to hear. Hit like, subscribe. It gives me really good feedback that this is helpful for you, and I'll continue making more videos. All right, thanks again for watching. Have a spectacular rest of your day.